splash. Toes get clean, yes, yes, yes. Hands get clean, yes, yes, yes. Bath time, splash, splash, splash. Bath time, splash, splash, splash. Wash, wash, wash and laugh, laugh, laugh. Bath time fun, in the tub we splash. Arms get clean, yes, yes, yes. Knees get clean, yes, yes, yes. Bath time, splash, splash, splash. Bath time, splash, splash, splash. Wash, wash, wash and laugh, laugh, laugh. Bath time fun, in the tub we splash. Hair gets clean, rub, rub, rub. Bubbles pop inside the tub. Bath time, splash, splash, splash. Bath time, splash, splash, splash. Wash, wash, wash and laugh, laugh, laugh. Bath time fun, in the tub we splash. All clean now, dry, dry, dry. Pajamas on, good night, bye. Time fun, in
Please
the tub we
like
splash. Toes
and
get
subscribe.
clean. Yes, yes, yes. Clean up song, time to clean up, put the toys away. In the basket, hip hip hooray.
Okay, friends, it's cleanup time. Let's do it together. Clean up, everyone clean up.
Time to clean up my
Puts the toys away.
There you go, clean
Ryan
up
helps
better.
and says hooray. Clean up time, clean up time. Let's make
All
everything
clean.
look
We
fine.
did it.
May
No?
picks up,
Okay,
blocks
I'll
so
do it.
bright.
You're a good
Mom
help.
says
You're doing it right. All right,
Little hands
team, let's
work
put the blocks
side
away.
by side. Cleaning fills us up with pride. Clean up, everybody clean up, clean up, clean up. Teamwork makes us cheer up. Pick it up and put it back. Keep
Let's
the
put the
room
books in order.
right on track.
Okay.
Kiki, Ryan, they all say we can clean this every day.
Hey, Mommy.
Great
Clean
job.
up,
Keep going.
clean
Almost done.
up,
Let's get the toys.
everybody
I'm helping.
clean up, clean up, clean up. Teamwork makes us
job,
cheer
everyone.
up. All done now, the room looks great. High five, friends, we celebrate.
All the blocks
Nice
back in
and
the
neat from wall to wall. Clean up time is fun for all.
Please like
Everybody
and subscribe.
clean up, clean up. Good morning, rise and shine, my friends. Kiki and Ryan, let's eat breakfast again. Kiki and Ryan sit down to eat. Warm little waffles, golden sweet. Syrup drips in tiny trails. Happy smiles and breakfast tales. Breakfast time. Waffles taste so yummy fine. Crispy bacon on their plate. Kiki says this tastes so great. Ryan takes a crunchy bite. Breakfast fun feels just right. Breakfast time. Start the day and feel so fine. Breakfast time. Kiki and Ryan, morning shine. Egg so soft and egg so bright. Sunny colors,
look at
yellow
these
and
eggs.
white. Kiki stirs them nice and slow. Ryan says, I
love them so.
Breakfast time. Start the day and feel so fine. Breakfast time. Kiki and Ryan, morning shine. Waffles, bacon, eggs so warm. Kiki and Ryan feel safe and calm. Big bites, small bites, morning cheer. Good food starts the day right here. Breakfast time. Start the day and feel so fine.
teachers.
Hey friends, ready to shine bright today? Let's use our manners all the way! When you want something you see, say please, please, please politely. And when someone helps you out, thank you is what we're all about. Manners matter, yes they do. They show kindness through and through. Manners matter, can't you see? They help us all live happily. Share your toys and share your fun. There's plenty here for everyone. Wait your turn and you will see. Friends stay friends so easily. Manners matter, yes they do. They show kindness through and through. Manners matter, can't you see? They help us all live happily. If you're mad or feeling blue, use kind words to talk it through. Sorry, excuse me, are you okay? Little phrases make a better day. Manners matter, clap along. Let's use kindness all day long. Manners matter, yes it's true. The world feels better because of you.
Please like and subscribe.
And when someone